Well, and one of the things I can't remember who it was, but I someone sent me a Joe Rogan podcast, and the guy was talking about drones a lot, and that's why I tuned into it because I wanted to hear the drone part. But he was talking about one of the big problems is in the United States to manufacture drones there are limitations. Like
Yes.
it can only go so high. There's restrictions. So American manufacturers are held to a standard, a safety standard that helps all of
Hmm.
us. But unfortunately, Chinese and other manufactured
Correct.
drones are not. So they're coming into our country without the same manufacturing standards and restrictions. And I think
Absolutely.
that's part of the reason why we're ending up with this. So we need to tighten
Absolutely.
up. If we're going to make our manufacturers do this, I think we should also be putting that onto the imports that are coming into the country too.
Absolutely. And the FAA is absolutely on top of that. They are 100% looking at in the drone specifically that they found that damaged the fire plane was actually a DJI drone.
Hmm.
Those are the ones that are most available to private users, and those are also not made in the US. So you have to proactively install geofencing
Mhm.
on that DJI drone and turn it on, and it will actually limit it, but it
Mhm.
does not come on every single drone. So if you
Yeah.
are a pilot that is supposed to be taking it seriously, even as a hobbyist, there is a basic level that you should be doing and operating for safety
Yeah.
in your urban areas, especially. But you should be following those guidelines everywhere. And putting the geofencing on is required in the United States. When you have a loft and you're looking at your app to even see if you're available to fly,